Hi, yeah, it's me, Natalie Nat. Welcome to my channel, Glam Slam Nails. My name is Natalie and I do nails, reviews, hauls, anything and everything to do with nails. So today I have a Madam Glam haul. Well, it's not a haul, it's the I Am Fearless. So I got the full set of them. So, oh, it's very pretty. When confidence is celebrated, individuality is honoured and fearless beauty comes to life. A symphony of strength, style and the radiant freedom of being unapologetically you. So, of course, as you know, Madam Glam is the free from, cruelty-free, HEMA-free, TPO-free, vegan-free, 21-free formula with TMPTA-free. So, let's get into it. Oh, just drop some on the floor, pick it up. So I have obviously already opened this, so I know the names of them. So I'll just get them first four out and we'll swatch them. And as I'll get them all out and we shall. They are very pretty colours, these. And the reason why I bought this one, because I do have a lot of colours, is it wasn't as... It's colourful, but not as colourful as some of the others have been in the past. It had some different things in this, like that for example, that Radiant Glow is beautiful. So let's get swatching. Does have a fair few pinks in it, but yes, looks really nice. Right, let's go with it. So the first one is Pink Harmony, which is this. I have done all the sticks for them. So this is lovely, isn't it? This is like a real proper Barbie pink, this, isn't it? Oh my goodness, that is lovely. Yeah, it's a proper Barbie pink. Really pretty. I've had it a couple of weeks, this actually. I absolutely forgot I had it, to tell you the truth. Because I didn't forget I had it, I just didn't have time to do the different video. Because of just other things. It's nice, that, isn't it? That is a lovely colour, that Pink Harmony. Beautiful. Next one is Golden Hour. I do like that name, Golden Hour. That's this. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm going to be using these in my next video, I think. Use one or two of these. Well, we'll see. Get that a bit closer. My hand's a bit steadier. My hands are so shaky at the minute. It's got a beautiful shift in this. Really beautiful. Absolutely. I do like pink and orange together though. I think I say that a lot. Oh, that's nice. That is really nice. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous, isn't it? Gorgeous. Oh, what's the next one? Gorgeous. Sweet. What is it? Sweet what? Sweet Chicks, I think it is. Yeah. Oh, Sweet Cheers. Not Sweet Chicks. Sweet Chicks. Sweet Cheers. Oh, this is a nice green, isn't it? Yeah, it's a very grassy green, this, isn't it? Very grassy green. Oh, that's nice. Lovely. Hey, I'll tell you what, they're very opaque, these. Extremely opaque. Now, I'm going to tell you something about my little finger. Because I have had a couple of comments. When it got broke, that's the first thing I'll tell you about it. But that's not, I can't help. After it got broke, it just kept doing that or that. And so I thought, well, I'll just use it to balance, but sometimes I miss. But it's just a stupid story, really. Anyway, I broke it. And you can see that it broke because it's got like a bit sticking out there. And like if I go out and have a drink somewhere, I don't drink, but when I did drink, I used to hold my glass like that. Always held my glass like that. I don't know, bizarre. Next one, sorry, bit of useless information. Radiant Glow. So that just does it on its own sometimes. Can't help it. These are gorgeous, these, aren't they? Oh, I like that. Oh, I do like that. Oh, that is so nice. That is really, really, really nice. Isn't that lovely? It's, oh, I hope you can see it as good as I can. That is beautiful. Really, really beautiful. It's a pink to like a goldy yellow colour. That is lovely. I'll give that a second coat though, because it's sheer. I will give it a second coat so we can get the full effect of it. But yeah, that is very pretty. That very, very pretty, very summery. The next one is Inner Renewal. Where are you? This is like a jade green, isn't it? Yeah, jade green. Got these called jade. Yeah, it's very much a jade green, this. That's what these are. They're very 80s, aren't they, these colours? Why is that brush like that? Can you see the little brush thing? Where am I? Where am I? There we are, the tweezers. The brush is bent over here, look. Might have to cut that off, we'll see. I'm trying to get the brush down. I don't know why it's sticking up like that. Well, there. Well, let's see how we get on with it first. Might have to cut that off. But yeah, this is very much like it is a jade green. Very 80s colours these, aren't they, some of these? Very, very 80s. Can you see that little brush there sticking up? Do you know what? I'll try, we'll see how it gets on. I'll leave it in there and see how it gets on and see if I've got to cut it off. We'll give these a second coat, actually. Normally I don't do that, but I will with it because that one. The next one is Joyful Rituals. Joyful Rituals. And that's going to have a shift in it as well, like a purple. Obviously it's pink, but a purple colour. Oh, I see, yeah. Right, I see where it's going with this. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous colour. Wow. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I like that. That is gorgeous. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Joyful Ritual. The next one. What's this one? Cherished Pink. Cherished Pink. Now, these two, the orange, well, these three actually, they've all got a glitter in, haven't they? Not a glitter, like like a sparkle, like a shift. Oh. I'm just going to look at these two colours in a moment. I just want to check something. That's nice. I'll tell you, these are really 80s colours, these. Very 80s. That's nice. Beautiful. I'm going to have enough room to get one more in. Oh, I might just have, yeah. Might just get one more in. There's only 8. And then the last one is Lavender Toast. That's a cool name, isn't it? Yeah, they're very 80s, them colours. Well, especially that pink and that green with that jade colour. That's what I might do. I might do an 80s set. You see, it just goes out on its own. Stay in. Now, as purple goes, that is a purple, isn't it? That's a proper purple. I'm looking at them now, and I'm just going to top coat that. I might top coat those two, just these two, just because they're sheer. The rest I'm just going to leave as one coat. I'll have to try and get that hair out of that. I'll have to try and get try and sort that out. Why it's that green, that jaded colour. Yeah, I'm very pleased with them. Very nice. Really like them. But I think I'm just going to give those two one more coat because I think they're quite sheer. And I'm not sure it's going to pick the colour up. They're very, very vibrant, especially that one. That's really vibrant in the... Very vibrant. And that green, that one. Yeah. Right, let's get these two out. Right, we'll just... Because I'm going to... Oh. I mean, I hope you can see it because it's so lovely. I do like that. Do you know what? I wish I had a pink nail, really. Pink nail tip. I could show you. Oh, it's beautiful. Isn't that lovely? Oh, God, that's gorgeous. I'm not picking it up on camera. I hope so. That shift is beautiful. And what's the other one I want to give a... I think it's this one, isn't it? Not sure if this needs a second one, but we'll go with it. Yeah, I really like these. I like these a lot. Yeah, that's beautiful. That pink is similar to that pink, can you see? With a purple shift to it. I like that. They're using the colours that way, aren't they? Making them go further. That's a good idea, actually. Right, what I'll do is I'll just top coat them. And then I'll be back with the whole lot. I was going to do half and half, but I don't know, I'll just give them all a top coat. And that'll be it, really. Yeah, so I'll be back in a minute. So that's the whole set. They're beautiful, aren't they? They're really pretty. So yeah, you'll have to let me know which is your favourite in the comments. Which do you like the best? Ooh, I don't know. I think I'm going to have to go with this orange to pinky one. These two. I do like this pink harmony and golden hour. They're all lovely though, aren't they? And that J, oh, they're beautiful. Yeah. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe because it's free. Apparently there's something like 50% of my people who watch my channel aren't subscribed. Don't know. But yeah, that'll be fantastic. I hope you're all right. And I hope you come back in and I'll see you next time. Oh, bye guys. Do you know, it's really hard holding them like that. Bye guys.